Hi everyone! In today's video we are going to talk how to use this laminating machine, which is actually putting a lamination foil on a paper, and it keeps your paper safe and secure. I'm using a Hama machine, which is not a high-end, but usually they are indicating that what is the maximum micron of the laminating foil that you should use, and the maximum size of the paper. So that's the A4 is the maximum size, and 100 micron for that. The rest it's easy because you just plug it in, and you have two indicators. One is the power indicator, and the other is if it's ready or not. So if you see the green, now it is not on, which is meaning that you have to wait a bit. Usually takes a couple of minutes until the machine is ready to laminate. Meanwhile, I'm using some special foils which can be purchased by any store. It is called laminating punches, and it has an 80 microns of thickness, which is totally fine for my application because the machine should be handled it. As you can see, the machine turned green, which is indicating that the machine is ready. But now let me add some paper. You just lift up the laminating punches, place your paper. You should be careful on the edges. It should be even at least as it possible, and then your laminating foil makes as it should be. So you just feed it in. You don't have to touch it anymore because it's automatically going through. There are some motors inside, and on the other end, we are already seeing that from the matte finish, it is very shiny and it's already labeled together. Yeah, once it is done, that's the final product. It's a bit heated, so it's a good idea to put it in a flat place, and then it will keep it smooth. But that's basically it. You should wait again until it is ready again and move on to the next foil. If you think this video was helpful for you by any means, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I wish you a great day.